Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to insert a form in WordPress. First, you'll need to select a powerful form builder plugin. There are many excellent choices available, such as WP Forms, Contact Forms 7, or Gravity Forms, each offering unique benefits. Once you've made your selection, simply install and activate the plugin directly from your WordPress administrative dashboard. This initial step is crucial for unlocking the full potential of form creation on your website, providing you with a solid foundation to build upon. Now that your plugin is active, it's time to build your first form. Head over to the new menu item created by your form builder within your WordPress admin area. Look for an option like Add New or Create New Form to start. Most plugins feature an intuitive drag-and-drop interface, allowing you to easily add fields such as name, email address, and a message box. Remember to customize each field's label and set any as required to ensure you gather all necessary information. After building your form, it's essential to configure its settings. Start by giving your form a clear name and description for easy identification. Next, set up notification emails so you receive an alert every time someone submits the form. You can specify multiple recipients. Also, customize the confirmation message users see after submitting or redirect them to a specific page. Many plugins also offer integrations with popular email marketing services or payment gateways, expanding your form's capabilities significantly. The final step is embedding your newly created form onto your WordPress site. Navigate to the specific page or post where you wish the form to appear. If you are using the block editor, simply add a new block and search for your form plugin's dedicated form block. Alternatively, you can copy the form's unique shortcode and paste it directly into any text area. Once embedded, publish or update your page, and your form will be live and ready to collect submissions from your visitors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.